My forefathers homesteaded the area in 1874, but we were one of the first ones in 1955 to develop an irrigation permit. Water's important to all of us because if we don't have water, we don't have a place to live. I've got about 900 acres of irrigated ground already. Some of it, like I say, goes back to the 1955 situation. What can we do to become more efficient with the resources, the natural resources that God gave us? How can I apply water efficiently, develop a water permit on this particular piece of property? So the concept with the Rain 360 was a method where I could apply water based on limited water availability from the aquifer with an odd-shaped field that a pivot doesn't work with too well. What are some of the options? So, started off with that one, and basically that's kind of what brought the field day about. With that, we have partnered through the years with the Innovation Farm with a lot of different private folks. This was an opportunity to let them showcase what they have available. Again, how do you measure the use of the water? Moisture sensors, plant sensors. The research side from the university has been a key component. My position has always been, I'll do something out there. I may think I know what's going on, but I want somebody independent to come in and verify what I think's going on, what the observations are. And also the ability to interact with people that are a lot smarter than I am, that can give me different ideas and say, well, that makes sense, or that doesn't make sense. I had Greenfield Robotics out with their weed robots that are going through the field, taking the weeds out. We've got an arable weather station arrangement here right on the edge of the field. I have Phytech at another field. They're not actually here in this field. And then we've got moisture sensors at a number of places trying to figure out whether or not I should be watering or not. Though what we're finding out now is, as dry as it is, you can't put enough water on it. The issues in western Kansas are different than the issues we have in central Kansas, which are different than the issues we have in eastern Kansas. But, water is very important for survival of mankind. We do know that the agricultural industry is a huge user of that limited resource. Now, I say it's limited, but it's different than oil in the fact that it is a rechargeable resource, which is different than oil. Once you use the oil is gone. Water, we can recharge and reuse it. But we've got to figure out how to use the resource as efficient as we can, realizing that we have over-allocated, over-appropriated the use of that.